Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the pads in my motorcycle helmet. This motorcycle helmet is from 1974, and if I still had a motorcycle, I would trash it and get a new helmet. But I don't have a motorcycle anymore. I've used the helmet for ice skating. So I already took the old padding out, and I don't know what's in there, but I bleached it out because I thought it might be mold, but I don't think it's mold. It might be some adhesive or something like that. But since I'm going to be traveling at low speeds on the ice skates, I don't need the best helmet in the world. A lot of people don't even wear helmets. So these are the replacement bags I have. It's from a company called AOUTACC, AOUTACC. These foams are made for Airsoft helmets, made in communist China. Got these on Amazon. They're not a sponsor. Comes in a Ziploc bag. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, without the pads, the helmet rides really low on my head. Got some self-adhesive Velcro strips. I assume this pad goes in the middle. So what do we have? One round, two square, 6 rectangle. No instruction as to where they go. Let's start by putting I'm going to put this pad right in the middle there. Okay, got 6 ovals, 2 square, and two wide pads. Okay, so this is the loop side that goes to the adhesive. Now I don't know if the square one should go front and back or side to side. So I decided to put the 2 square pads, one forward and one in the back, and the 2 smaller pads are on the side. I have 2 pads left over and 5 adhesive Velcros left over. Let's see how it fits. Yeah, it's got good height, good cushion, and it's comfortable. And that's it. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.